Allahu 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 Allah. Allahu 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 Allah. Allahu 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 Allah. Allahu 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 Allah. I wake with the light of the dawn whispering, with joy in my heart and with praise on my lips. In stillness and twilight I stand before you, bowing, prostrating, I call Allahu, 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 Allah, Allahu, 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 Allah. My eyes see your beauty in the dawn's golden hues. My ears hear the thunder as it glorifies you. The rhythm of my heart beats the sound of your name. My breaths rise and fall with the tide of your praise. Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, 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 Allah. My soul knew and loved you before I was born, and without your mercy is lost and forlorn. Wherever I may wander down the pathways of life, my cry to you, oh my Lord, is guide me to light. Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, 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 Allah. Through all fear and helplessness to you do I turn, for your breath of healing and peace do I yearn. For all that I have, my Lord, all that I am is from you, is for you, and to you will return. Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu,